Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share step-by-step process to make this beautiful art piece. So without wasting time, let's start. First step is canvas preparation. Here I am using an old frame, but you can use canvas or wood. In polished look, we need to mark the boundaries. This step is very crucial as it gives our design a defined space and keeps everything neat. Now that our boundaries are set, let's trace our design. You can use a printed design or draw your own. Today I am using this lovely floral pattern which I made freehand. Position the design within the marked boundaries and stick it. Make sure it is aligned properly. Now that our design is secured, let's trace it. Use a pencil or pen to outline the design and start from one corner. Apply consistent pressure to ensure all details are transferred. Work slowly to capture fine details and if possible do in one sitting. Once the design is traced completely, this is how it looks. Isn't it beautiful? Now it's time for my favorite part in this artwork, which is the cone work. This is where we create those intricate lines. I am using pre-made ceramic cones here. Apply gentle pressure to control the flow of the paste. Take your time, smooth lines will elevate your work. For me, cone work is always so satisfying and meditative, and I can spend hours together without getting tired or distracted. That's why I have created lots of artworks using cone work. If you have also tried it before and feel the same, please let me know in the comment section below. I have thoroughly enjoyed the process of cone work and now it is almost complete. Once cone work is complete, let it dry for a couple of hours and then we can start to paint. The beauty of Meenakari lies in its vibrant contrast, so I'll be using vibrant acrylic colors. Let's start with the base color blue. You can choose colors of your own choice for your design. I will be using blue, red, green and golden for this painting. Meenakari art often features bright and contrasting colors, so feel free to mix and match. When painting, use a gentle hand and if you accidentally go over the lines, don't worry as we are going to fix it later when we will do the final touch-ups. The blue color is completed now and I am going to start with the green. You can use different brush sizes depending on the area you are painting. For larger sections, I recommend a flat brush and for detailed work, a round brush is ideal. To darken the shade, you might have to apply 2 or 3 coats of the color. It depends on the base you are using. I have completed the green shade here. Now I am going to start with the red color for flowers. Just like green, use appropriate brush and paint red color. Incomplete painting never looks that great, so don't worry and try to do as neat as possible. I want to create a gradient effect on these petals. To do that, I am going to highlight it with white just to create a lighter shade in half of the petals. This step is completely optional and I would recommend using round brush to create this effect. Once the larger areas are painted, it's time to add details. I am using golden color to highlight the cone work. Use a fine brush and take your time here. Detailing really brings your artwork to life. Once highlighting is complete, take time for the final touch-ups to ensure everything looks perfect. Fix those areas where there is uneven color or spots where the colors have gone outside the lines. Now I will be finishing up the outside part of the boundary and I am painting white here. It is not making any change in the color as such, but it will seal the texture paste which I applied. To highlight the boundary, so instead of cone work, I am using air dry clay here. Roll the clay into thin strips and place it along the outlines of the design. Press it gently and cut the extra part. You can leave it as it is or make some design on clay as shown in the video. In the same way, make the boundaries for the remaining 3 sides. Now the last step is to seal our painting with the varnish. I am using matte varnish here. Start from the corner and complete it. I usually apply 2 to 3 coats of varnish. Painting part is complete now and here is the closer look. Since this is a Meenakari painting, I am going to use these glass diamonds. This is again optional and even you can use art and craft mirrors. Here is the final look. After completion, I was very happy and satisfied since it was an upcycling project for me. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.